This retaining wall has already been fully repaired and restored, providing a strong and stable foundation. Now, we're moving into the exciting phase, enhancing its beauty and transforming the space into something more inviting and visually appealing. The first area of the retaining wall is already completed, featuring newly installed artificial turf that brings a fresh and vibrant look to the landscape. The rich green finish adds a natural touch, softening the solid structure of the wall and creating a clean, well balanced appearance. This upgrade immediately elevates the entire area, making it feel more open, polished, and welcoming. Along with the artificial turf, ground lighting has been carefully installed to highlight the retaining wall and its surroundings. For the next area of the retaining wall, the process began with positioning the client requested plants in their designated locations. This allowed us to visualize the layout and ensure it aligned perfectly with the client's vision. After the client reviewed and approved the arrangement, the plants were installed securely in place. With the planting complete, we are now moving forward with the installation of artificial turf in this section. Once finished, the artificial turf and lighting will create a seamless and unified look across the entire retaining wall, resulting in a cohesive, inviting, and beautifully finished outdoor space that blends structure, greenery, and thoughtful design.